So, nandito tayo ngayon. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nandito. Sabi nila meron daw akong bubuksan box. From Asus daw yun. Tapos magre-react lang ako kung anong meron doon. Ay! X870E-E. So, as you guys know, AM5 socket. So, supported niya yung 9000 series, 8000 series, 7000 series CPUs from AMD. X870E chipset, M2Q release. May bagong mechanical mounting ng Asus. Testing natin. How does it work? And that was our first impression and unboxing with the ROG Strix X870E-E gaming Wi-Fi. So yeah, stay tuned sa aming next videos. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you soon.